just about a few days back, I gave you an update on how I turned my BNB into money printing machine, and right here is another update for you that is almost close to that update I gave you about BNB. And for those of you who attempted that BNB update, I'm sure by now you're already printing money for yourself just by using your BNB. So right on this update, I'm going to be giving you almost the same strategy, and we are going to be using another crypto coin different from BNB. And this also works because I've tested it out many times on weekly basis, on monthly basis, on daily basis at times, and this works perfectly just like the BNB update I gave you. So guys, without any further ado, let's dive straight right onto today's tutorial, and you will see how you can do this as well and use this opportunity to generate some income for yourself, some passive income for yourself on daily basis, on weekly basis, on monthly basis. But remember, this is never a financial advice. Every update that is shared on this channel is only for educational purpose. So always do your due diligence before you jump on any update that is shared on this platform, right? So guys, let's get started. So guys, for this particular update, I'm going to be picking one of my favorite crypto coin, and for today's update, I'll be picking Solana. So right here, this is right here, this is the performance of Solana just within a week, right? Within a week. And from what you can see right here on this chart, you are going to be seeing all the performance from within just 1 week right here. Okay, so let's start from this particular date right here. That is March 30th. So March 30th, right? March 30th 2026, right? Let's assume I purchase Solana from this point of $80.35. That is $80.35, right? And after purchasing it, I hold this Solana for some certain period, let's say for some few hours. And let's assume I purchase let's say 10 Solana, that is 10 unit of Solana, right? So right here, just see from 30th, look at the date right here, look at the date. I purchased from 30th, that is 12 a.m. right? That is the time right here. And from there, I was holding the coin. So on March, that same March 30th, 5 a.m. you see, this is the current price of Solana. It was trading at $83. I was still holding it. So let's assume I sold that same Solana at 10 a.m. that same day. As at then, the Solana I purchased at $80.35 is now trading at $84.46, right? And I purchased 10 units of Solana. Remember, 10 units of Solana. So let's assume approximately I'm making $4, right? Approximately I'm making $4. Although when you check the figure right here, I should be making around $4.10 on each unit of Solana I purchased. Remember, I purchased 10 units. So if you do your calculation, that is 4 times 10. So if you do your calculation, that is $4 times 10. That is 10 units, right? And that is $40. So it means from this point, I purchased Solana at $80.3. That is around 12 a.m. to around this time, which is March. That same March 30th 2026, which is around 10 a.m. So I've made a profit of $40 for myself just within one round of trade. Now you can see. Now let's go to another one. So right now I'm trying to spot another entry opportunity. So I'm going to be holding my fund, my capital, and I will pocket my profit. So I'm trying to spot another good entry. I'm still scouting for good entry right here. That is on March 31st. So one thing about this trading strategy is that you don't have to be in hurry while trading. You only trade when you see that the market is actually favorable. You don't because you have made profit in one round, and because of that you are just trading ignorantly, even when you know the market is likely to be against you. So I've traded once that particular day, March 30th, and I've not been able to see another good entry. So I'm still waiting. I waited till the next day, that is March 31st, right? I waited enough. So on March 31st, that is 1 p.m., that is 13:00, right? 1 p.m. So on this date, the market is looking good for me to enter, right? And what I did is that I purchased at this particular price of $80.63, right? $80.63, right? And I purchased another 10 unit of Solana. Okay, I'm using that 10 unit as an example. You can purchase even less than that. You can purchase 5 units, you can purchase 3 units, you can purchase 2 units, even just a single unit. Remember, the amount of capital, trading capital you actually put on this trading is going to determine how much profit you can be making. In my own last trade that I traded with that 10 unit, I was able to make $40 in one round of trade. So let's assume I purchased from this amount right here. Look at it right here. So I purchased at 31st 1 p.m. right? And look at it right here. Look at it right here. From $80, the price started increasing. And I was still holding the trade. Until this date, that is April 1st, right? On April 1st, right here at 8 a.m., I saw my Solana doing $84.442, right? That is approximately $4 profit, another $4 profit, but it's actually a little bit below $4, just some few cents below $4. But let's assume another $4 profit. So when I take the profit from A, right? That means I've also made another $40 for myself. Buy 10 unit worth of Solana and also entering the trade at $80.6 right here. Okay, so this is typically how this trading strategy works. This way, I use this strategy to make passive income for myself, right? And when you come down right here again, you are going to be seeing on that same April 1st, I'm actually scouting for another round of trade and I couldn't find anyone. Then I entered another trade right here at this price right here, $78. For those of you that have been following my channel and following my updates, you are going to notice this week the crypto market has been very, very bad. So before you trade on update like this, you need to know what is really going on in the market space, right? You need to know what is going on in the crypto space before you jump on this trade. You don't just trade ignorantly. Know what is really going on, most especially on Bitcoin. Bitcoin determines the price of major altcoin out there. Okay, so I purchased at this price, and instead of the coin going higher, I noticed the coin is not really doing to the expectation I expected, so I kept on holding and it keep on depreciating. You see Solana drop from $78. I think I purchased at $78, right? It dropped from this $78, dropped to $77. I kept on holding until this present price right here. This is the current price of Solana right now, $79. So up to now, I'm still holding the coin because I believe very soon Solana is still going to be doing above $80, and when that happens, I can still take my profit. It can be $4, it can be $5, and even if I still want to take my profit right now at this current price, this is the price of Solana right now. So right here is the current price of Solana. That is what you can see right here, $79.92. That is it right here. Even if I want to take my profit right here, I'll still be making profit of about $2, right? And $2 with my 10 unit, that is still $20. But I refuse to take my profit right here because I believe this guy is still going to be doing $80+ in a very short period of time. So after you have decided your entry point, right? After you have decided your entry point, the next thing you are going to be doing is for you to set your limit order, right? In most cases, if you think you already know the best point you can be buying, let's assume right now this is the current chart of Solana right here, right? And I believe it's likely for Solana to come to this point right here. Look at it, this point right here, that is $76, that is $76.95. It's actually very possible. Instead of me waiting for this price to come right here, what I will just do is for me to go to my crypto exchange platform, right? So let me quickly show you how to apply what I've taught you right now. Let me quickly show you how to apply it. So right here, I'm on my crypto exchange, right? What I'll just do is for me to scroll down right here until when I locate Solana. So once I locate Solana right here, I'm going to click on it. So this is Solana right here. So I'll click on this right here. And the next thing I'm going to be doing, I will come to this area that says buy. Okay, this is buy right here. Once you click on this area that says buy, what you are going to do is very easy. So this is what you should do, most especially if you think you don't have time to be checking the crypto market back to back, checking if it has reached your preferred entry point. What you have to do is for you to just come right here, come to this area that says limit. Once you are here, you are going to be seeing limit market order. Just make sure you click on limit, and the next thing you are going to be doing, let's assume you want to be buying Solana at the price of, let's say you want to be buying Solana at $76. Okay, you just come right here, type in $76 right here. Once you type in $76 right here, just click on next, and you see I now have $76 right here. It means immediately Solana hits $76, then it's going to trigger and open a trade for you. So once you set $76 right here, the next thing you are going to enter the amount of Solana you want to be buying. So to do that, come to this area that says quantity of SOL, right? So once you come right here, click on it. Once you click on this area right here, you can decide to say you want to buy 10 units of Solana, 2 units of Solana, depends on what you want. Let's say you want to go for 10, click on 10 right here, and the next thing, click on next. Once you click on next right here, the next thing you are going to be doing is for you to scroll down. Just scroll down right here, and the next thing you are going to be doing, you will come right here and click on buy SOL. Once you click on buy SOL right now, the next thing you are going to do is for you to just wait patiently until Solana actually hit that $76 price. Once Solana hit that $76 price, the trade is going to be taken on your behalf, and the next thing you are going to do is for you to wait patiently. You wait patiently and wait for Solana to reach the point you want to be selling. Let's say for an example, you want to sell your Solana at, let's say, $85, right? So if you come right here, you will just enter limit order. Make sure you select limit order again. Once you select limit order, come right here again and enter how much you want to be selling your Solana. Let's say you want to be selling your Solana at, let's say, $86. Okay, let's say $86. So this is $86 right here, and you bought at $76. So you click on next right here. Once you click on next right here, the next thing you are going to be doing, let me remove these dots, click on next. So the next thing you are going to be doing once you set all this up is for you to slide this, just slide it to the right hand side. Okay, you can decide to be selling 50% of your coin. You can decide to say you want to sell 100%. So it means if you actually hit the target you set, that means if you buy from $76 and you are selling at $86, that is $10 on each unit of Solana you bought for yourself. And if you bought, let's say, 10 units of Solana, that is 10 times 10. That means you have made $100 profit for yourself on just one round of trade. And once you execute that trade, all you just have to do is for you to wait patiently again for another best entry point. You see, very easy strategy to earn passive income for yourself in the crypto space. But remember, this is never a financial advice. And again, for those of you that you don't even want to stress yourself at all you just want to do is for you to copy and paste my trading signal. Reach out to me. I have a VIP trading signal where I give multiple signals to all my VIP members. And for those of you who want us to trade on your behalf, maybe you don't even want to trade at all, you don't want to take any signal at all, and you still want to be making money for yourself in the crypto space, reach out to me as well. We have a trading service where we trade on behalf of our interested subscribers. If you were able to try this strategy, or you tried the other strategy I gave on BNB, drop your comment in the comment section. Let me know your experience so far. Do you think this strategy is actually good, or do you think it's too risky for you to attempt it? Just drop your comment in the comment section. I'll be there to respond to you. So guys, you see, this is a very simple update that anyone can actually carry out. You do not need to be expert in crypto trading before you use this strategy I just gave you. So make sure you follow the simple step-by-step guide I've given you on this update, and always do your due diligence before you trade on any crypto at all. This video is only for educational purpose. Do not trade beyond your capacity. always know where to draw the line. Okay, so I will see you on the next one, guys. You can see this video right here or see this one right here to learn more way to make money right in the crypto space. You can also join all our social media platform over there. You will be able to have access to me and even receive some update that I do not share even on our YouTube channel right here. I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.